Our cordless cooking gun is powered by a 7.4 voltage lithium-ion battery. The trigger lock prevents you from switching on the gun accidentally. The speed adjustable trigger allows you to regulate the flow of material as you wish. The speed control dial is equipped with the same function. You can switch the continuously variable dial from level 1 to 6 anytime while working. Press the release button and then manually pull the rod back. The plunger reverses automatically when the trigger is released every time. Surely, no more excess material will be wasted. The LED auxiliary line really helps in shortened darkness. Seeing is believing, and now you should give it a try.